Game development is on top floor of industrial community. Man, woman, child, and kids are choosing playing games for their relaxing and enjoyment. What I mean, the game industry hits all the films industries in revenue. So for that, today in this video I brings up top 4 best game engine to develop 2D and 3D games with rare graphics and game development experience. On number 1 we have Unreal Engine. If I told you the games like Pubg, Fortnite, and many more as shown are created using Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is a 3D computer graphics game engine developed by Epic Games. You can create multi-platform games for both desktops and mobiles. Unreal Engine supports C# and Blueprint as its programming languages, which is very popular in game development history. It supports both 2D and 3D game development experience, and give you access to control a high and rare graphics to design and develop game. Unreal Engine was developed by Epic Games and officially released in 1998. Its popularity was started growing up when Pubg was released. Second we have Unity. A cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies, first announced and released in June 2005. Unity is a powerful tool to create both 2D and 3D games. It supports C++ and C# as its programming languages to develop games. Most of developers use Unity to start their indie game developer career. These games are built with Unity. And as compared to Unreal, most developers loves Unity and its simplicity to dive into a game development career. Third we have Godot. Godot is a cross-platform, free and open-source game engine released in January 14, 2014. Godot supports C#, C++, and their official language JavaScript as its programming languages to develop and run games. JavaScript is very simpler than C# and C++ and easy to learn and manage. JavaScript is a programming that it's officially designed for Godot game engine to dive easily into game development. It has Python-like syntax and coding structure. If you are beginner or newly diving into game development, I personally recommended Godot for you to learn and turn ideas into projects. And last one we have Game Maker. Game Maker is a cross-platform 2D game engine that is developed by Yo-Yo Games in 1999. It supports C# and C++ as its programming languages to develop a game. It is best for 2D platformer games and low-end PC games. Game Maker is for beginner to start their career in game development. Also a lot of developers loves it because of its simplicity and performance. All the game's engines are depends on your experience. As you have seen that C++ and C# are very popular in game development history. So before getting started game development you have clear all the course and information about these languages. And have experience in 2D and 3D designs. Comment, what is your favorite game engine? Mine is Godot. Also subscribe us to let us interest making more helpful videos for you. Thanks for watching.